Welcome back to Python tutorials. I am Venkat. In the previous video, we have seen writing first Python program using PyCharm IDE. Okay, but we can also execute our Python samples using the console or terminal window. Okay, so if you remember, in the beginning we have installed two things. One is Python framework and second one is the PyCharm IDE. Okay, so if you want to use console terminal, you don't need PyCharm IDE. Okay, so you just need to install the Python framework. Okay, then you are able to use the console or terminal window. Let us start using the console window. This is the program we have written using the PyCharm IDE. Okay, so now let me open the command window. So open your start. If search for command prompt. So I have pinned my command prompt app in the start window. So I am clicking on this. And this is our command window. You can zoom it if you need. So here we can know the version of the Python. If the Python framework, so if you want to know how Python framework is installed or not, okay, so you can type Python -- version. If it gives you the Python version, then Python framework is installed. So if it is giving you the error, then Python framework is not installed. Okay, so now Python is installed in my machine. So if you want to execute Python samples, you need to enter into the Python command prompt. So how we can enter into the Python command prompt? Just type Python. Press enter. So now you can see three arrow symbols. That means three greater than symbols. So that means you are in Python command prompt execution. Okay. So now I can enter 1 plus 2 is 3. 6 multiply 4, 8 multiply 4, 32. Like that we can directly execute the samples. So let me print something. Print welcome to Python command or terminal. Press enter. You can see the message is printed on the console. Okay. So like this, we can execute the Python commands or samples directly using the command prompt or terminal window. Okay. This is about the Python terminal window. We can directly use this Python terminal window. But in our tutorial, we are going to use the PyCharm IDE. This is easy to use. Okay. So in the next video, let us see Python syntax. Please ask any questions in the comment box. I'll try to reply. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.